Hi, I am Mohammad Bakatwar. Today I am here with a design thinking video. So, design thinking in the Pharmaceutics Lab, Friability Apparatus Innovation and SNS Roadmap. So here at SNS College of Pharmacy, every experiment tells a story of learning through innovation. In our pharmaceutics lab, we explore creative ways to enhance precision and reliability. Today, we will share how design thinking helped us improve the friability test apparatus, one of the key instruments used to assess tablet strength. Design thinking. The basic principles of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and evolve. How these principles can be employed in the pharmaceutics lab exclusively for improving the friability test apparatus, which is very important instrument that helps for tablet strength. So let us see. So here, you know this is the friability test apparatus, and this is exclusively the single drum. Okay, in industries we have with many drums, because in industries we won't work with only single batch of the tablets. Okay, we work with lot of tablets. Okay, so if we work on only single drum of the tablet, single drum of the machine, the work doesn't complete. Okay, so that's why they work on multiple drums. Okay, but here in our college we have this single drum. I think you know about this friability test apparatus. Before letting you know, before entering into the design thinking scenario, I'll explain you what do you mean by this friability test apparatus. So some of the tablets which you have already prepared, you'll just keep in this. And this friability test apparatus, in this we'll do friability test, which is the evaluation test of the tablets. That means you already prepare tablets now. So that tablets, whether they are in standards or not, we have many tests. What are the tests? Weight variation we have, disintegration, dissolution, hardness, very good, hardness we have. So along with that, this is one of the tests. So we perform this friability test with the friability test apparatus. Okay, so 10 to 20 tablets we'll take. Okay, we'll take the initial weight of those. Okay, and we'll put into this drum. Okay, this is the drum. Can you all see this? This is the drum. Okay, and this is the on-off button. Okay, and this is the speed adjuster. Okay, so you have to put tablets here. This is the paddle. This is a supporter. In this we need to put the already weighed 10 tablets. Okay, into this. So, and now you have to start this. This rotates like this. Okay, so here this is rotating now. So while it is rotating, the tablet falls down, up, down, up, down, up. While the tablets are falling down and up, some of the tablets get break. Okay, so after certain time and after certain, this is called RPM. It is rotating per minute. Okay, so generally we'll examine just 100 RPMs. Okay, as you know that after 100 RPMs, we'll take it off the tablets and we'll go for final weight. Now we have a formula: final weight minus initial weight, and you have to calculate friability percentage. Okay, so the final friability percentage must be less. Okay, so here there is a question, madam, we are doing disintegration, we are doing dissolution, we are doing hardness and all. Okay, for in vitro conditions. In vitro conditions means when the tablet goes inside, what happens to the body? We are just evaluating out. Okay, that is in vitro. But what about friability, ma'am? Why we do friability? Why we do friability? Because from industry to market we'll pack, na? We'll pack the tablets in the market, no? Sorry, in the industry, no? So from industry to it reaches to market, na, in bulk logistics. Right, during that packaging and during the transportation, okay, so any breakage or happens, or how much of weight can be kept on the package, this friability test apparatus will decide. Okay, now madam, you have given introduction about friability test apparatus, how it works and why you have to use it. But how do you tell DT scenario in this friability test apparatus? Guys, you know DT principles are how many? 6. What are those? First one, empathize, define, and third one, ideate, and fourth one, prototype, and fifth one is evolve, and sixth one is reflection. Okay, now coming to the empathize. So here guys, while you are working, I have turned it on. Okay, so it is rotating, right? So while rotating, this, if the speed is not proper, what happens? The breakage of the tablet happens. Okay, the breakage of tablet happens. So it leads to inconsistency of the results. Results doesn't get. Results are error. Okay, that is empathize. Okay, now coming to the define. What you have defined? Incorrect results due to what? Due to what? Drum speed and due to improper cleaning. If proper cleaning is not done in this stand, on this stand, what happens? Our tablet get adheres over there and the weight get varies. Yes or no? And the next one is you can, the speed you can detect with the sensor. You can detect with the sensor, and I told you 100 revolutions per minute. That also should be read by sensor. So this is the define. Now coming to the ideate. What is the ideology we are giving? We are just putting, what are the ideology you are putting? What you are doing? We are just putting a brush for cleaning and a sensor for detection of the drum speed and also for the detection of the revolutions per minute. Exactly. Okay, now coming to the prototype. What are the prototypes we are putting here? Sensor. What is the next one? Brush, and also sensor for detection of speed and sensor for the detection of the revolutions per minute. So now finally what are the results we will get? We get a beautiful, accurate results. Okay, so like that you have to think this is the normal friability manual test apparatus. In the future when you are going for startup, okay, when you are thinking the design thinking mode, you just incorporate a sensor and also incorporate some kind of cleaning brushes, and you have to put standard operating procedure. The standard operating procedure includes every time cleaning. When it cleaned properly, the next time it works properly. So like that you have to incorporate the DT things in every aspect of the pharmaceutics.